Physical fitness testing for week 3. What is strength? Strength is the ability of the muscle to generate force against physical objects. You are now going to perform push-up that will measure the strength of your upper extremities. The only equipment to be used is exercise mats or any clean mat. Procedure for the performer. Lie down on the mat, face down in standard push-up position, palms on the mat about shoulder width, fingers pointing forward, and legs straight, parallel, and slightly apart, with the toes supporting the feet. For boys, straighten the arms, keeping the back and the knees straight, then lower the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Upper arms are parallel to the floor. For girls, with knees in contact with the floor, straighten the arms, keeping the back straight, then lowers the arms until there is a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Upper arms are parallel on the floor. Perform as many repetitions as possible, maintaining a cadence of 20 push-ups per minute. 2 seconds going down and 1 second going up. For the partner. As the performer assumes the position of push-up, start counting as the performer lower his or her body until he or she reaches 90-degree angle at the elbow. Make sure that the performer executes the push-ups in the correct form. The test is terminated when the performer can no longer execute the push-ups in the correct form, is in pain, voluntarily stops, or cadence is broken. Scoring. Record the number of push-ups made. Basic plank. The purpose of this test is to measure strength or stability of the core muscles. Equipment. Exercises mats or any clean mat. Procedure for the performer. Assume a push-up position. Rest body on forearms with palms and fingers flat on the floor. Elbows are aligned with the shoulders. Legs are straight with ankles, knees and thighs touching together. Support weight on forearms and toes, make sure that your back is flat. Head, neck and spine are in a straight line. Keep abdominals engaged or contracted, do not let stomach drop or allow hips to rise. For the partner, ensure the availability of mat or smooth flooring or anything that can protect the forearms. Give the signal start or go and start or press the timepiece. Make sure that the back of the head, neck, spine, and ankles are in a straight line. Stop the time when the performer can no longer hold the required position, or when the performer has held the position for at least 90 seconds. Holding the plank position beyond 90 seconds is considered unnecessary. Scoring. Record the time in the nearest seconds or minute.